Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Susan, and I'm back again with amazing new video just for you guys. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, share my videos, like and comment as always. So I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest wet fry mbuzi, and yeah, stay tuned until the end and let's do this. The first thing I always do is heat my cooking oil, then go ahead and add my meat and let it fry until golden brown before I go ahead to the next step. After achieving that golden brown color, I go ahead and transfer my meat to another bowl, then use the same cooking oil to fry my onions. After the onions have cooked until translucent, that's when I go ahead and add my garlic and then sprinkle some salt to taste, just to give my onions the good flavor. Okay guys, for my spices I'm gonna use turmeric, and I measured quarter teaspoon of turmeric, paprika, and I measured half teaspoon of paprika, coriander powder, and I measured half teaspoon of coriander powder, then lastly cumin, and I measured half teaspoon of cumin. So at this stage I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomato puree, followed by my spices with the Carico cube. If you love Carico cube, you can use it, it's optional by the way. Then mix everything together and bring that to cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low heat. The secret here is letting your spices cook until they lose the raw taste, okay? So my tomato puree and the spices are well cooked by now, and so I'm gonna go ahead and add my meat, mix everything together. Later on add my capsicums and cover my pot and let it cook on medium-low heat for the meat to soak all those flavors. And just like that guys, our mbuzi wet fry is ready to be served. You can serve this with the hot ugali, chapatis, or some rice there, and enjoy your meal. So guys, I hope you loved this recipe. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, share my videos, like and comment, because I wanna hear your views. I hope you try this recipe and tell me the results, and you will surely be amazed with the results. And until on my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.